I am, hello children, I am U. Mukherjee. I will be taking your history and civics as well. But now, today, I'll start with the history. Hope you all are well and staying safe with your parents. Now, I'll be teaching the chapter 1, that is, the medieval Europe, rise and spread of Christianity. Before teaching this, I'll be telling you something about our subject, that is history. Now, what is history? History is the series of events which happened in past. It helps us to know about our ancestors and the olden people before our birth and how they used to live and what were their habits and habitats as well. Now, you see that history can be divided into 3 groups. Let us start. So, I am going to tell you the ages of history. Now, Stone Age, Medieval Age and Modern Age. And to know the history, we depend on 2 sources. 2 sources. That means these 2 sources throw ample light to know about our past. And I'd like to write, you please follow me. Now, to know about the history, we depend on the 2 sources, that is, literary sources and archaeological sources. As I told you, or I am going to tell you, that history has there are 3 ages of history: Stone Age, Medieval Age and Modern Age. Stone Age, Medieval Age and Modern Age. Now, what is the medieval age? The age which comes between Stone Age and the Modern Age. You just see that Stone Age and Modern Age, and in between these 2, the age which comes in between these 2 is known as the Medieval Age. And the sources to know the history is the literary sources, means the books written by the ancient writers or the manuscripts. Now, what is manuscript? Manuscript is the handwritten document. Before the invention of printing press, the people used to write with the hands on the bark tree. But the people used to write on the leaves or the skins of the bark tree or Bhojpatra. And the other literary sources, and after the invention of the printing presses, or when the people came to know about the literacy, they started to write on the books, and these books are also the sources to know about the history. And archaeological sources, these are the numismatic. Numismatic means that study of coins, that is ancient coins. Then other archaeological sources are the weapons and utensils, and also the remains of the old buildings. Now let us start with the medieval period. In the Asia and Europe, the medieval period is existing between the 600 CE. Now CE means Christian era, that is that after the Christianity started. And in India, the medieval period again classified into two groups. That is, in India, medieval period age early medieval age and later medieval age. Now, early medieval age is existing between 700 CE, that is Christian era, to 1200 CE approximately, and later medieval period is existing between 1200 CE, that is Christian era, to 1750 CE, that is Christian era, and then starts the modern age. And what is now in medieval age, you see, in medieval age the two great religion was established. You see, the first one is Christianity. This Christianity, it was established by Jesus Christ. And the other one was Islam, that was started around 7 CE, that is, and that was by Prophet Muhammad. Now, let us, and in this medieval period, you see that in Asia and Europe, both were the developed centers. And you see that the Christianity was founded by Jesus Christ. Now you see that it is said that Jesus Christ was born around 4 BCE. Now you see, BCE, before Christian era. It is said that his mother, the mother of Jesus Christ, was Mary and his father was Joseph. Jesus Christ, he was born in a very simple family in a village called Bethlehem in Jerusalem. Jerusalem, the present name of Jerusalem is Palestine, and you see that and that was around 4 BCE. That is 4 before the beginning of Christian era. Now, in the beginning, of his life, he was carpenter. He started his career as carpenter, but when he attained the age, say about 30 years, then he started to preach about God. He was a very simple person. His language was very simple and decent. So he had large number of followers. Before the birth of Jesus Christ, you see that the Jews were ruling the place of Jerusalem, and who were Jews? Were the follower of Judah. That is, the Jews' religion was the Judah. And you see that after the invasion of Pompey the Great, after the invasion of Pompey the Great in around 62 BC, you see that the Jerusalem was, the Jews lost their independence and Jerusalem was annexed with the Roman Empire. Jesus Christ was Jew in the beginning, and when, as I told you, that from the age of 30 years, he started to preach the gospel of God. And his popularity